Did you know that your fireplace damper could help you save on your heating bills? In this video, we'll explain how properly using a damper can make your home more energy efficient and help you keep your heating costs down. The role of a fireplace damper is to control the airflow between your home and the chimney. When the damper is closed, it prevents heat loss by sealing off the chimney, which keeps warm air inside your home. This simple action can significantly reduce energy waste and lower your heating bills. Make sure your damper is open when the fireplace is in use to allow smoke to escape. But always remember to close the damper when the fireplace isn't active. This keeps your home well insulated and reduces drafts. Regular damper maintenance is also important for maintaining home heating efficiency. By using your damper correctly, you'll not only increase energy savings but also reduce your carbon footprint. For more energy-saving tips, be sure to subscribe to our channel.